Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify payments payout schedule with Stripe beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your Shopify payments payout schedule with Stripe, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom left corner of the page. In the settings menu, select payments. Under the payments section, locate the Shopify payments option and click on manage. Here, you will find your current payout schedule settings. If your payout schedule is not as desired, click on Edit next to the payout schedule. You will see options for adjusting your payout frequency. Choose a frequency that aligns with your business needs, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you have made your selection, make sure to save your changes. Next, open a new tab and sign into your Stripe account. In your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Settings option located at the bottom left. Select Bank Accounts and Scheduling to review your current payout settings. Ensure that your bank account information is correct and up to date. If you need to add or update your bank account, click the appropriate option and follow the prompts. After verifying your bank account, check the payout schedule settings in Stripe. Make any necessary adjustments to match your desired payout frequency. Return to your Shopify admin and refresh the page to confirm that the changes have taken effect. Double-check both your Shopify and Stripe accounts to ensure that. Monitor your payments over the next few days to verify that the new payout schedule is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the help sections of both Shopify and Stripe for troubleshooting tips. This will ensure that your payout schedule is restored and operating smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.